Kongres. By ons op hierdie blou stoele vandag is Tony Esmeralda van die hoofuitvoerende beampte van Corteva. Ek gaan dit nou oorgee aan Mhlali. Mhlali, you'll do the honors for Congress to have a discussion with Tony. Thank you very much.
Privileged to welcome Tony Esmeralda, the Business Director for Southern African Corteva's Agri-Science business. Corteva is the main sponsor for today's Congress and yesterday's Congress, and they are also a corporate member. Welcome, Tony.
Thank you.
So, Tony, can you tell us a bit more about Corteva Worldwide and as well as Corteva South Africa?
Sure. First of all, thank you for the opportunity to sponsor. And Pierre, congratulations with your election as president again.
Thank you very much.
Certainly, Corteva Worldwide is the biggest pure ag play company in the world. We've got 20,000 employees worldwide. We operate in 140 countries. And I think we're unique in the sense that we invoice more than 10 million farmers worldwide as well. If I go locally in South Africa, on the seed platform, we've got two strong brands in Pannar and Pioneer. We've got the crop protection brand where we distribute our crop protection solutions through business partners, LAC, AECI, Plant Health, as well as Intelligrow.
And Tony, agriculture plays a critical role to ensuring food security. How has Corteva positioned itself in the agricultural ecosystem over the years?
Certainly, I think food security is critical for every country and for the economy of the countries. First of all, I think we need to provide the best products and services to farmers to produce, first of all, quality as well as affordable food for the community. So I think that's the first one. Corteva has been involved with the Economist publishing a food security index. And that index is used worldwide by industries as well as governments to improve food security. I want to congratulate the farmers in South Africa. South Africa is number 1 in Africa and number 48 out of 133 countries. And that would not have been possible without the farmers in South Africa.
And Tony, how has South Africa's agricultural landscape informed Corteva's strategy?
Yeah, I think first of all what we need to understand that farmers are competing in the world market. If you think about our grain farmers, they sell their products at commodity prices that are linked with the world market. Our farmers in the fruit area export their crop to other markets as well. So that informs our strategy. Our strategy is to provide the best innovation and technology for farmers to be competitive in the world market. We have got a worldwide research network, and we use that capability to provide local solutions for farmers in South Africa.
So Tony, tell me more about the products that Corteva offers South African farmers every day.
Yep. So certainly I think we try to provide an end-to-end solution for every hectare in South Africa. We call that a Corteva hectare. If I talk specifically on germplasm, we've got seed products in more than 7 crops in South Africa. We've got biotech traits. We've got a pipeline up in terms of PowerCore in the maize seed, and then Conkesta E3 in soybeans. If you talk about crop protection, we've got different molecules and solutions that we provide to farmers through our distribution network. We've got plans to launch our own seed applied technologies, in common language that's seed treatment, and then obviously digital solutions for farmers as well.
So how do you help farmers in South Africa on their farms as well as in the competitive world market?
So first of all, I think as I indicated earlier, it is providing the product, but there's no replacement for a service and the relationship on farm. So we've got on the seed side more than 150 sales reps and dealers that on a day-to-day basis are servicing farmers. In both seed brands, we've got strong agronomy teams that helps farmers on a day-to-day basis. On the crop protection side, we've got our crop protection teams working with crop advisors. I would say several hundreds of them working through the AECI as well as Newlanders and LAC network in South Africa.
So being a multinational company, how did Corteva manage through the COVID-19 pandemic, and how was your business affected by this?
Yeah, I think being part of an international network certainly helped us a lot, especially the early breakout in Europe. The experiences of our businesses in Europe fed into our strategy in South Africa. It gave us access to experts to help developing our own strategy in South Africa. And we've got a vibrant supply chain channel, and we leverage that as much as possible to make sure the product, especially on the crop protection side, to get that on time into South Africa.
So Tony, in light of that question, How does Corteva cope with the fact that so many countries are experiencing varying levels of lockdown? Let's say, for instance, the UK at the moment, which has literally implemented a heavy lockdown and regulations in their country at the moment. So how has Corteva managed during these different stages of the year and production seasons, and how does this affect your global supply chain?
So first of all, I think from a Corteva point of view, we are tier 1 country, which is the highest level. We've got a 5-phase strategy. I'm not going to talk about all 5, but let me focus on the 2. The first one is to keep our employees safe. And I think we today at the 196th day, we had several employees that were COVID positive, but I'm happy to report all of them recovered and they're back at work. I think the second part of our strategy is to take care of our farmers as well as our business partners. So being an essential service, we were not really disrupted. Our sales force could get into farms within the safety measures, serve farmers, and I'm happy to say that the season is upon us. We're ready from a seed as well as a crop protection point of view to serve farmers for the season that's coming up.
And how did COVID-19 change your operational strategy? How did it increase your company's agility and flexibility over time?
Yeah, I think in terms of technology, it certainly helped us. And probably a lot of people are tired about Zoom today, but I think that technology was adopted when we couldn't get onto farms with launching of new products. We had a molecule called Arilex in the small grain market in the Western Cape. We launched online, and we had several of our crop advisors online, and it gave us the capability to take the best experts from Australia and North America and provide inputs into that. Certainly, I think in terms of the way that we go to office, that's been revised. We certainly think about things like that differently. It will probably change our lives to a certain extent, but I think the one important thing in agriculture is that you need to get into the land, you need to get into the farm, and I think that will continue to be our strategy.
And just to share your sentiments, Tony, I think the time of technology has been very beneficial to a lot of companies because it expands your footprint, but agriculture is fundamentally built on a close network of relationships. What is Corteva's client relationship strategy, seeing that now we cannot see as many people as we would in one room?
Yeah, I would say just most of the farmers still allows us onto their farms. We certainly make sure that we have all the safety measures. We would call up front and make sure that the farmer are comfortable to see either the sales rep or the crop advisor, but we haven't had any real issues in terms of that. As long as you apply the safety measures, I think we're allowed on farms, and we've been able, being an essential service, to service farmers right through the pandemic.
And my last question for you, Tony. You have a new slogan as Corteva AgriScience: in it for farmers, in it for good. This is linked to Corteva's sustainability goals. Can you share more about that, please?
Yeah. In it for good is enriching the lives of the producers, but also to do it for generations to come. We want to make, and that includes sustainability in terms of farmers, of communities, and as well as the land and our operations. We believe that we need a strong, vibrant, sustainable farming community because that leads to a strong food system, that leads to food security and affordable food. I always say that food security equals socioeconomic stability in the country, and it's not only valid for South Africa, it's for the whole of Africa as well. We committed to collaborate with the industry as well as collaborating with government to ensure the safety of our rural communities, our farmers, as well as our farm workers. We've got a second slogan that says, in it for farmers. And I'm happy to announce today that we're making a commitment to donate 500,000 Rand for the Securitas Trust Fund of Agri-SA. And that's a small contribution towards the safety of our farmers as well as our farm workers. So that's the start. Hopefully we can do more next year, but certainly happy to make that commitment now.
Thank you so much for that, and thank you for your contribution to South African agriculture. I think Pierre will elaborate more on the message from Agri-Securitas for the donation. It's really amazing to see multinationals such as Corteva contributing to the work that we do every day and really ensuring the safety of farmers every day and really making sure that South African farmers remain competitive. I think that's been an outstanding theme throughout our Congress this week. And thank you for the technology that you introduce to communities every day. And thank you for the services that you provide to South African agriculture, Tony.
Thank you, Maslany.
Tony, thank you very much. Apart from being the main sponsor of our Congress, You come and you give us 500,000 rand towards the Agri-Securitas Fund, which is specifically to safeguard and help security on farms for our farmers and our members, as well as our employees on farms. Thank you very much. This is really appreciated. I hope it goes a long way in improving your business. We are humbled by this. Thank you very much. I can say on behalf of all the farmers of South Africa, this is really a wonderful gesture from your side and your company, and we are very appreciative of it, and we hope you well, and we hope that things go well, and next year we can sit here again with you, and that you can also say that the business for Corteva has improved in South Africa. We're going forward together, and we as farmers are going forward with you as a company. The involvement of Corteva and agriculture in South Africa is much appreciated. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pierre.